What's going down, YouTube? It's your boy Joe. Just doing a quick video showing this cool theme I'm running on my Epic on a Jelly Bean ROM. That's how the theme looks. You got the pull down. You can see the things behind you. That's how. Some of the icons are themed. That's definitely cool. So yeah, it's in a quick video. I did a quick video showing you the themes. This theme I'm running. There it is. So basically, it's basically it. Just showing off this quick theme that I get that I'm rocking on it. Just a quick update video from before. This is the theme that I'm rocking currently on it right now. So that's basically it. So it's a pretty cool theme. You guys have any questions, just hit me up. Alright guys, I'm out of here. Peace.